In case your product is a subscription-based model, you can choose either between a single tier pricing card component or a subscription tier pricing card model. We're going to start with the single tier. Once you drag it onto the canvas, it's the same procedure for all pricing cards. You click under data option sets, under plans. In this case, if we're talking single tier, it's this pre-configured option set called premium. You can name it as you wish. It's the same procedures as for all pricing cards. You need to put in a description and a display. It's basically how the plan is named, and you add the plan features. Plan features, again, can be added super easy. You go under this field and populate all the features of your product. You go back to plan, you go into the option set, and you add those features into your product. For Stripe, we need two things. We need the ID price test live monthly and ID price test live yearly, as well as the ID price test monthly and ID price test yearly. Because in this case, this is a subscription card that enables the user to pay either a monthly price or a yearly price. Depending on your setup, you could hide the toggle of the pricing card and make it either yearly or monthly, but we're gonna do both options. So we go into our Stripe dashboard again. I'm under test mode. I go to product catalog and I'm gonna add the products. Let's call this product premium as we have defined it here. I'm gonna do a split view so you can see what's going on. The monthly price will be $15 as defined in our option set, monthly price. It's billed monthly, and we're going to add the product. This will give us this product called premium as a standard. As a default, the price will be $15 per month, but because we will give the user the ability to pay a yearly price, we're going to add a price. In this case, we click plus. We say it's $10 per month. That equals $120 per year. If they pick the yearly price, the billing period will be yearly. We're going to create a price. So with this premium plan, as within our option set, we have two prices, and we're going to copy the price IDs into our option set. For the monthly price, so this is the test environment, hence we paste it under ID price test monthly. And we copy the yearly price ID into the ID price test yearly. Once we switch from test to live, we need to copy the live price IDs for both monthly and yearly into the respective fields, which are these ones. But for now, I'm going to go with the test IDs. I click save, and that's it. We basically have created the product and linked it up with our pricing card. So if we do a purchase, there's one thing missing that we need to do. We need to click on the component and associate a data source with this pricing card. In our case, it's the premium option set, so it will update accordingly. And as you can see here, the user has the ability to use this toggle and pay either a monthly price or a yearly price. If they click Pay Now, they will be redirected to a Stripe checkout session, in this case, the monthly price. In order to let you see what's going to happen in the background in the database, I'm going to do a split view. And I'm going to fill out these details, go into the data tab, app data. So because this is going to be a subscription, there are several fields associated with that subscription. If it's either active, if there is a cancellation going on, the ID customer, the ID plan, and so on. And once I click purchase, you will see that these fields will be populated. And as you can see, the purchase was successful. The pricing card changes to a status card, saying the subscription is active, what the price and the billing period is, when the cycle started and when the next payment is due. And again, a quick overview about the price that they've picked. In the database, you can see that the subscription is active. You can also see those reference IDs that you can search, for instance, in Stripe. If you want to know any details about this customer, you can copy those IDs and paste it into your search field under Stripe dashboard. And you can see also the plan and the plan interval for this customer, as well as a data entry for the payment that took place. The user will be able to manage their plan so they can upgrade to a yearly price and do it all by themselves, and also cancel the subscription. In the case that the user cancels the subscription, you will see that those fields will be populated. The pricing, the status card updates. And if you go here under the data tab and refresh the data, you will see that a cancellation took place at the end of the billing period. And once this date is reached, in this case 1 month from today, the data feed will change from active from yes to no.